Do the little changes that eBay makes on its regularly used pages frustrate you? Yeah, it certainly does me, and I had another one today. And this one's not only taking longer to deal with, it actually cost me some money. And it has to do with the shipping label page. This is Brian. I'm down at the packing bench, and I'm frustrated. Let me know if you've seen this yet. I had items to pack today. The first couple, they went off without a hitch. I opened up the sales, went to the shipping page, confirmed the size and weight of the items once they were packed, printed the labels in the usual manner. Then I had a sale for some Boeing tags. The Boeing tags I sell, ship them in an eBay standard envelope. Now these are up 2 per sale. Gentleman today bought 2 sets, 4 tags. They will still fit in an eBay standard envelope and come in under 3 ounces once packed and labeled. But when I opened the shipping page, I noticed the format changed. The little red circle that pops up in the corner that says you've sold a multi-quantity in your listing wasn't there. In fact, it said quantity 1. What happened to the red dot on the shipping page? But as I looked down and I checked the price on the shipping page, it was too much money collected for a quantity of 1. And that got me curious. Up above where it shows the little red circle normally, it said shift to a different format. So I did. And it took me to an entirely different page. They have literally made it so that you have to open this to see your shipping details, this to change the actual weight and size, and this if you want to send something other than eBay standard envelope. So they've taken a simple, straightforward process and they've turned it into a multi-layered, complex process. And it boggles the mind. What a mess when they make changes. It says quantity 2. Why do they keep changing something that works? And as I was beginning to look at that page and how it has 3 boxes and it's much more complicated than the old one, it bought a label. Problem is, it bought the label at the wrong weight because it bought the label as if I was sending out 1 pair. Well, I never clicked on buy label, but somehow in looking around at this new format, it bought the label for me. Now I'm going to have to figure out if I can cancel this one. I've already tried once and it wouldn't. And now I'm going to have to buy a new label if the shipping is more than that. And since this is a double order of 4 tags, it probably is. Normally when something like that happens, I go out to manage your labels and I'm able to cancel the bad label. This one wouldn't let me cancel it. This shipping label cannot be canceled. What a crock. So I went back in, I confirmed on different pages where it said quantity 2 or it showed that he'd ordered 2 because it's inconsistent. Some pages now show a quantity of 1, some showed a quantity of 2. But knowing he had bought 2, I went back in, figured out how to purchase a label off of those 3 blocks, changed the weight, bought a more expensive label, and have paid for it. It's on this package ready to go. So I went back in to see if I could cancel that label, that one that the system generated that I didn't need because it was wrong. All right, I've got 2 labels now, and I'm interested in the one ending in 273. Right there, 273 for $1.32. Nope, still says can't cancel this label. So it looks like this shift in the format has cost me money. It's also costing me time because I click back and forth between the 2. And it says if you want to go to the advanced shipping page, which is where it put me in the first place, the red dot wasn't there to tell me a quantity of 2, and it actually said quantity 1. This is what they're now calling the advanced shipping page. So why is it an advancement is a step backwards? You'll notice that it says 1 item. Well, there were actually 2 purchased, not 1, and the red circle has disappeared. And how they can call something that's advanced when they've taken a step backward and made it more complicated is beyond me. This is a real pain. Let me know if you've seen this yet, and I'll be watching to see if tomorrow when I come down to the packing bench, if it's still hosed up. Now, on the pages, eBay said, tell us how you like the shipping page. Since they're giving us a chance to send some feedback, I'll do that as well. So I did. I sent them some feedback on 2 different pages, telling them there's simply no reason when they've done something well to go change it. I don't know what eBay's up to today, but it's bad. It cost me an extra label as I tried to figure it out, and now it won't let me cancel that label it printed. What a mess. So today I sold 2 pair of these Boeing tags. This format has changed slightly, but that's not what's bothering me today. It's the shipping page that's changed. And I just went through the process of getting a label. It bought me one I didn't want. I had to repurchase. And then it won't let me cancel the bad label. What a crock, eBay. This is Brian, a short rant. Let me know in the comments if you've seen this yet.